Welcome to Star Chat, the podcast that explores the wonders of the universe and all its secrets. I'm your host, Carl, and I'm thrilled to have you join me on this journey through the cosmos. As we embark on this episode, let's take a moment to appreciate the vast expanse of space that surrounds us. With billions of galaxies, stars, and planets, there's no shortage of fascinating topics to discuss. Today, we're going to dive into some exciting news about our closest celestial neighbor, the Moon. With NASA's Artemis program gearing up to send humans back to the lunar surface by 2027, there's a renewed sense of interest in our rocky companion. The Artemis 3 mission will mark the first time humans have set foot on the Moon since 1972, and it's going to be a historic moment for space exploration. But that's not all. Private companies like SpaceX are also working towards establishing a human presence on the Moon. Elon Musk's Starship program is making rapid progress, with the latest version of the rocket standing at an impressive 104.44 meters tall. With its powerful engines and advanced design, this spacecraft is capable of taking both people and cargo to the lunar surface. As we look up at the night sky, we can see the Moon in all its glory. Currently, it's in the waxing crescent phase, with about 26% of its surface illuminated by the sun. If you have a pair of binoculars or a telescope, you can even spot some of the Moon's notable features, such as the Mare's Crisium and Fecundita Titus, or the Endymion crater. And if you're wondering when the next full moon will be, mark your calendars for March 3rd. This will be a great opportunity to get outside and appreciate the beauty of our lunar companion in all its fullness. As we continue to explore the Moon and beyond, we're reminded of the awe-inspiring complexity and beauty of the universe. From the intricate dance of celestial bodies to the mysteries of dark matter and dark energy, there's still so much to learn and discover. We'll be right back with more fascinating space news on Star Chat. Welcome back to Star Chat, where we're exploring the vast expanse of the universe and all its secrets. As we continue our journey through the cosmos, let's venture into the distant reaches of space and time to a galaxy that has scientists baffled. Imagine being able to see into a galaxy that's so far away, it's like looking back in time to the dawn of creation itself. This is the case with MOMZ-14, a galaxy that's been observed using the advanced technology of the James Webb Space Telescope. As we gaze out into the universe, we're reminded of the incredible scale and complexity of creation. With billions of galaxies, each containing billions of stars, the sheer magnitude of the cosmos can be overwhelming. And yet, it's precisely this vastness that makes discoveries like MOMZ-14 so significant. By studying these distant galaxies, scientists can gain insights into the early stages of the universe and how the first stars and galaxies formed. The observation of MOMZ-4 is a remarkable achievement, made possible by the cutting-edge technology of the James Webb Space Telescope. This incredible instrument allows us to peer into the distant past, to a time when the universe was still in its formative stages. As we continue to explore the universe, we're reminded of the importance of scientific inquiry and the role that telescopes like the James Webb play in advancing our understanding of the cosmos. The study of MOMZ-14 is also a testament to human curiosity and our drive to explore the unknown. As we push the boundaries of what we know, we're constantly reminded of how much more there is to discover. The universe is full of mysteries waiting to be unraveled, and it's up to scientists and researchers to continue exploring, experimenting, and pushing the frontiers of human knowledge. As we ponder the significance of MOMZ-4 and the many other discoveries being made in the field of astrophysics, we're reminded of our place within the grand scheme of the universe. We're part of a much larger story, one that stretches back billions of years and will continue to unfold long after we're gone. And yet, it's precisely this perspective that gives us a sense of purpose and wonder, inspiring us to continue exploring, discovering, and pushing the boundaries of what we know. Welcome back to Star Chat. As we conclude our journey through the cosmos today, I'd like to take a moment to talk about a pressing issue that's closer to home, yet still deeply connected to our exploration of space. You see, as we reach for the stars and push the boundaries of what's possible in space, travel, and technology, we also have to consider the impact of these activities on our own planet. Recently, a study caught my attention that highlights the potential environmental consequences of the booming space industry. It appears that the increasing number of satellites and space launches is injecting significant amounts of pollutants into the upper atmosphere, including aluminum oxide particles, chlorine-rich solid rocket fuels, and black carbon. These substances can have profound effects on our climate, altering winds, ozone chemistry, and even influencing global temperatures. Imagine, if you will, the irony that as we strive to explore and understand the vast expanse of space, we might be inadvertently harming the very planet that allows us to pursue these dreams. The potential for damage is real, with projections suggesting that by 2040 there could be as many as 60,000 satellites in orbit, leading to a significant increase in atmospheric pollution. The scientists studying this phenomenon are sounding the alarm, warning that we might be on the cusp of creating a new form of atmospheric pollution that could undo some of the hard-won gains in mitigating ozone depletion and climate change. It's a sobering reminder that our actions, even those aimed at exploring the cosmos, have consequences here on Earth. As we gaze up at the stars, let us not forget our responsibility to protect the planet that gives us life and allows us to chase these celestial dreams. The principle of avoiding harmful contamination of space and accepting responsibility for damage caused by our space objects, as outlined in the Outer Space Treaty, is not just a legal obligation, but a moral one. So, what can we do? We must continue to push the boundaries of space exploration, but with a keen eye on sustainability and environmental stewardship. We need to invest in cleaner technologies, more efficient launch systems, and better ways to manage space debris. It's a challenge that requires international cooperation, scientific ingenuity, and a commitment to preserving the health of our planet. That's all for today's Star Chat. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and until next time, remember to keep looking up at the stars.